Hello everyone, welcome. Today I have a ducted under cabinet range hood that is not functioning. All the touch buttons are no longer working. Let's see what happened when I plug the power in. See, as you can see, it's just beeping and blinking. All the touch button does not respond anything when I press. So this is how you fix them. Let's shut off the power and open it up and check it out. Okay, I already removed the panel underneath and remove the touch panel. So I'm gonna replace the touch panel. This is a touch panel right here. I'm gonna disconnect the LED light and the data line. So this is the touch panel circuit board. And this is the new one I just ordered for replacement. I'm just gonna peel the protection film off. Okay, let's put back together and put screw back on and turn on the power and see how it goes. Okay, everything's all good. Let's plug the powers in and check it out. Voila! How about that, huh? It's looking good. So let's turn it on. Light. Ooh, look at that. Lights on. It's good. Adjust the timer to right now is 4:20. p.m. Lights on, and let's turn on the fan. Fans on. That's setting number 1. Number 2, you can hear the spinning right there. Number 3. And number 4, max out. Working great. Turn it off, shut off, and turn the lights back down. That's it. That's all you need to do. So that's how you repair if you have a range hood that have a problem like that. Just order the touch panel board from manufacturer and replace it. Simple. And thank you for watching. And if you like this video, and subscribe and like.